Is it time to buy or sell Oklo stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Oklo. Our initial report was published on our website on the 7th of May, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 1st of May, 2025, our system has classified Oklo as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.52. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations with an overall gain of 3.08%. This equates to an average return of 0.62% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which may typically present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders. As a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated, a breakout above the top trend line at $28.27 would first indicate a slower rate of decline, but could also signify the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 45.2% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -77.26% to -42.87%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 89.91%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 52.64% to 332.18% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $41.40 and $117.21. Our latest daily update for Oklo includes the headline: Oklo Inc. stock price took a fall of 5.37% on Wednesday. The Oklo Inc. stock price fell by 5.37% on the last day, Wednesday, 7th of May, 2025, from $28.66 to $27.12. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 7.82%, with a day low at $25.70 and a day high of $27.71. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 16.05% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 1 million shares, resulting in a total of 16 million shares bought and sold for approximately $443.04 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $59.14, and the lowest price was $5.35. Currently, the price is 54.14% or $32.02 below the 52-week high of $59.14. Which is also the all-time high for the stock. Oklo Incorporated, an emerging player in advanced nuclear technology, recently announced its financial results and business update call for the first quarter of 2025, scheduled for May 13th. This timely update will provide crucial insights into the company's performance and strategies, potentially affecting investor sentiment and stock movement. On May 1st, shares of Oklo surged by 12.8%, driven by a broader rally in nuclear stocks, as investors responded positively to the growing interest in nuclear energy as a viable solution to the current energy crisis. This trend indicates a strengthening market sentiment around nuclear energy, which could further boost Oklo's stock in the short term. Additionally, Oklo's innovative focus on small modular reactors and microreactors positions it favorably against competition from established firms. Despite the challenges it faces in regulatory and funding realms, the recent appointment of Chris Wright as Energy Secretary may accelerate regulatory clearances and support for Oklo's initiatives, presenting new opportunities for growth. However, recent declines in stock prices have raised concerns about potential overvaluation, leading some analysts to recommend a cautious approach. Long-term, Oklo's unique value proposition in the clean energy sector may attract sustained investor interest, especially as the demand for reliable, low-carbon energy sources continues to rise. In summary, the upcoming financial update and the ongoing regulatory landscape will be pivotal for Oklo's stock trajectory, influencing both immediate investor reactions and its long-term growth potential. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Oklo an outperform rating along with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Oklo a neutral rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned Oklo a buy rating with an initialize action. On Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, it was reported that Seaport Global assigned Oklo a neutral rating with an initialize action. On Friday, the 21st of June, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup again assigned Oklo a neutral rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Oklo stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Oklo. The Oklo Inc. stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, some support is expected at $26 and $24.12. If the price drops below either of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was activated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 6, 2025, with the stock having fallen by 5.37% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 33 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Oklo. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $25.47 and $24.08. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this instance, Oklo Inc. finds support just below today's level at $25.47. If this is broken, the next support based on accumulated volume will be at $24.08 and $21.93. This stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests this stock is considered to be of high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $2.01 between its high and low, which is a change of 7.82%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 8.98%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Oklo, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and could signal risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are currently at negative 11 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Oklo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Oklo is at $28.66. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Oklo faces its first support level at $25.47. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Oklo from various analyst sources indicates a recommendation to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider transactions were conducted by Caroline Cochran, who bought and sold 200,097 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 83 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 37.687. In total, insiders acquired 93,756,834 shares and disposed of 31,886,139 shares across the last 83 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $25.59, reflecting a decrease of 5.66%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Oklo stock a good buy? Oklo Inc. presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, allowing for accumulation while awaiting further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 8th of May, we anticipate that Oklo will open lower by approximately 277 cents, beginning trading at $26.84. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.